So now you all will be doing page number, we will be doing today page number 51. Page number 51. Today we'll be doing page number 51 in mathematics. I will be showing the date and the day in the whiteboard. So everyone, please look to it. I hope you all can see the whiteboard. Please, today my mouse is not working properly. So it's a humble request to all of you to kindly cooperate with me. I will be little slow because the mouse is not working. 16.7.21, underline it and write C.W. C.W. And at the left hand side at the top, you'll be writing Friday. 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 Please see to it and write down in your book. अदृत जी, आप कैसे बैठे हुए हो? आपको मैंने 10 times बोला है कि सीधे बैठना है. I'm Prasyuk Jain. Why you're not wearing the uniform? I don't know why I have to say these things every time to this to kids. In my class, no one will eat anything. Cesar, why you're not wearing the uniform? And it's a humble request to all the parents that give me the PDF file on time. I hope you all have written this. Okay. It's a humble request to all of you that you will be giving me the PDF file on time. If you're saying anything else, I won't be conceding it. The time limit is very important. The time limit is very important. Please follow the timings. I will not consider. Okay. So now, as we will be doing page number 51. So it is written subtraction. How many more? Now, till now we were doing how many is remaining. Okay. How many is left? I'm repeating once more time. Please listen to me. अपना pencil 2 minutes नीचे रखिए and मुझे देखिए. Kavishri, I can only see your book. Please show me your beautiful face. Okay, good. Now, everyone listen to me. What I have said, how many is left? कितने left हैं? ठीक है? How many is remaining? Okay? हमें subtraction में कितने how many is left and how many is remaining? Now, what this page today we will be doing, we will be comparing. Comparing means आपको दो चीज दे रखी होगी. एक चीज, एक मटेरियल एक पर्सन के पास या एक चीज के पास ज्यादा होगा. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल जोस, वी विल टेकिंग द नेम ऑफ द जोस. दैट जोस हैव द टॉफीज 4 and Rima have toffee 1. Okay, so how many is more Joseph have than Rima? These kind of word problems we will be doing. Don't get confused. ये बस एक English का twist है. It's a twist how we are saying. And I hope you all are watching English cartoons so that you can understand English more easily. So now, Canopy page 51. Canopy page 51. I will be writing to everyone page 51. I have shown in earlier also. Okay. Now, In page 51, it is written, Mala has 8 balloons. Anil has 3 balloons. You can see, all of you can see the balloons. My mouse is not working. It's very hard to control now. Okay, you can see it. Mala has 8 balloons and Anil has 3 balloons. Okay, you can count also. You all can count also. How many more balloons does Mala have? अभी मैंने आपको example दिया था. Just right now I have given you the example that now there will be a comparison. So in this question also we have to do the subtraction from big number to small number, as I have told you and explained you, right? So how we can find out? We can find out 8 minus 3. Okay, subtract the number of the balloon Anil has from the number Mala has. It is this one of the same only. So we will always minus big number to small number. Don't write anything. It is already written in the book. You just have to listen to Tini ma'am. Okay, you just have to listen to Tini ma'am. Okay, so here it's saying now, so 8 minus 3 is equal to is 5. Mala has 5 balloons more than Anil. I'm sorry, slip of tongue. Anil, okay. So exercise 8, everyone can see exercise 8. Exercise 8, Jose has 4 chocolates. Tara has 3 chocolates. Jose के पास भी 4 chocolates हैं. तारा के पास भी 3 chocolates हैं. Okay. दोनों के पास बस नंबरिंग अलग अलग है. How many more chocolate does Jose have? Okay. यहाँ पे आपको इस जगह में you have not given. Okay, I will show you this. Over here you can see there is no space. You can see my mouse. Everyone can see my mouse. Okay, you will be writing the equation over here. जैसे आपका left to right लिखा हुआ बिल्कुल आप वैसे ही लिखोगे, left to right. So how you will be writing? What will be the equation? Aradhya, roll number 4, Aradhya, where is she? अभी screen में थी, she's just gone. Yeah, here it is. Aradhya. Aradhya, roll number 4. Please unmute yourself, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Please let her say good morning by herself. Don't remind her. Okay. So now it is Jose have 4 chocolates and Tara has 3. So can you tell me the equation?
बताओ.
Can you tell me the equation? Very good. 4 minus 3 is equal to, what will be the answer?
1.
1. Very good. So we will be saying Jose have what? How will be saying? Jose has 1 chocolate more than.
बोलो. मैम बोल रही है. बेटा बोलो. मैम बोल रही है.
Tara. Okay, fine. Don't repeat. Don't repeat. It's okay. You can unmute yourself. I am able to. I'm pressing something and something else is going. Mute. Okay, fine. Please, can you unmute yourself? I'm not able to do from my side right now. My mouse is creating little trouble. Can you mute yourself? Oh God. Aradhya, please mute yourself, dear. Okay. Now the next question. Okay. So the next question says, Anil caught 9 fish. Okay. You can see the picture on your book. There is 9 fish. Okay. Anil caught 9 fish. Dinu caught 5 fish. How many more fish did Anil caught? Okay. So who will tell me the next equation? Who will tell me the next equation? Tejas? 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 Tejas, can you unmute yourself?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Now, can you tell me the equation, dear?
9 minus 5.
Very good. 9 minus 5. So what will be the answer? 9 minus 5?
4.
Come again?
4.
4. Very good. So can you tell me the whole equation, Tejas?
9 minus 5. 4.
Is equal
Equal
to
to 4.
Ma'am, आप जो उसको बता के दे रहे हो, I can hear it. So let him say. I will correct it. Don't worry. If he is saying wrong also, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. That's okay. I'm there for that only. Okay. So always remember 9 minus. You know the sign of subtraction. Okay. So you will be saying the number. And as I've told you, whenever you are subtracting a number, you will always subtract big number from small number. Okay. दीपांशी बेटा आपका पूरा कैमरा उल्टा हुआ है प्लीज अपना कैमरा सीधा रख दीजिए ओके नाउ अंशुमन प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अंशुमन
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning okay now the question says Deepa picked 8 flowers Seema picked 3 flowers how many more flowers did Deepa pick so tell me the equation tell me the equation huh? Anshuman ji hello hi
11.
इक्वेशन
11.
मैंने इक्वेशन पूछा है आपसे मुझे इक्वेशन बताओ दीपा ने 8 फ्लावर पिक किया और सीमा ने 3 फ्लावर पिक किया सो हाउ मेनी फ्लावर मोर दीपा पिक्ड कितना फ्लावर मोर किया टेल मी
12.
डोंट स्पीक इन माय क्लास फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल और बेटा इसमें माइनस करना है व्हाई यू आर एडिंग subtraction करना है we are doing subtraction I have not given any question right now which in which we have to do the addition also Mohi and Nishvi sit straight in my class no one will lay down tell me Anshuman I'm talking to you okay fine okay Tanmay good morning Tanmay now you tell me the equation question number 3 equation
8 minus 3 equal to 5.
very good Tanmay 8 minus 3 equals to 5 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 you all are writing in left to right please show me your thumb please show me your thumb everyone show me your thumb like this show me your thumb very good Kavyashri very good Sanya very good Shreya Tejas Aradhya very good Nivesh okay very good class very good this is my class is very active class now as we have done this page number 51 same we have to do the next page like this